How to fix Wi-Fi connected but can't provide internet on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve the issue when your phone shows connected to Wi-Fi but has no internet access. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. Next, tap on Connections or Network and Internet. Following that, tap on Wi-Fi to view your network connections. Now, find the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to at the top. Moving forward, long press on the network name or tap on the settings icon next to it. Tap on Forget or Forget Network. This will remove the saved network from your device. Afterwards, tap on the same Wi-Fi network again from the available networks list. Enter your Wi-Fi password and tap Connect. Your phone will reconnect to the network with fresh settings. Test your internet connection by opening a browser or app. Alternatively, if that doesn't work, restart your Wi-Fi router. Unplug your router from the power source. Wait for about 30 seconds. Plug the router back in and wait for it to fully boot up. Once the router is ready, reconnect your Android device to the Wi-Fi. Check if your internet is now working properly. If the issue persists, go back to Wi-Fi settings. Tap on the network and select Advanced or IP settings. Change from DHCP to static, then back to DHCP again. This refreshes your IP address assignment. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix Wi-Fi connected but can't provide internet on Android, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android troubleshooting guides and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.